We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're looking at a Brother MFC-8710 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter. So the first thing you're going to do is open the front door here. Once you open the front door, you're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out together. And then if you look at the side of the drum, you'll see a little green tab. If you push down that little green tab, you'll be able to lift and remove the toner from the drum. We can set the old drum off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. And inside of every Onyx brand drum, there are written instructions to help walk you through the process, just in case you need them. There we go. This one just doesn't want to come out of its factory. There we go. Alright. So we have our new drum. We're going to reinstall the toner back into the drum. So you just slide it in the front. And you'll feel it click into place. And on the front of the drum you'll see this little green tab. You're going to want to slide that tab back and forth across the full length of the drum at least 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends at the same place that it starts at. So you'll see 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you do that, we'll go ahead and replace the toner and drum back inside the printer, making sure it's firmly seated back inside the printer. And then with the door left open, we're going to press the clear button. It'll ask you to replace drum. You'll push 1 to accept. And then you go ahead and close up the front door. And after it reinitializes, you'll be good as new and back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.